what you they do?
And the fight.
Okay, keep this bread, more go work. With the work you do, you the chop bread.
No, we go kill you.
How?
Because you carry 3 blocks now, you won't make CNN carry them. Me where the works is money. I don't be human being.
Not be me and you there. Not be me and you there here. This is money.
See,
shut up, oh. I better pass this work. I be you be waiting. I better come go work. I beg.
I am not going to miss this vegetable yam for anything. In fact, I am following you to your house.
Look at your man. I know you like vegetable yam. But in that case, you have to follow me to the house and help me break the firewood in using cooking it.
Okay.
Yes.
Agreed.
Because you cannot just switch like that.
Wait, that reminds me. You were telling me about somebody before that man interrupted us.
Yes, I was telling you about him. He's so caring. He's a nice guy. I know you know him.
Have I met him before?
Yes. Yes, you've met him before. His name is Ikem.
Ikem, the one that stays with Auntie Agnes.
Yes. Why are you laughing? Look at it. Why are you laughing? Well, he said he will marry me. He said he will marry me.
He said he will marry you.
Yes.
I tell about before. Ikem will marry you. That one that has nothing to offer you. He is jobless. He cannot marry you now. He can't.
Kachi, mind your tongue. Mind your tongue.
He can't marry you. I'm just being nice because you're my friend.
You're not being nice. You're not. And stop it. I'm warning you for the last time. You're supposed to be happy with me. No. Somebody said he's going to marry me. You're supposed to be happy as a friend.
Not that one. Not him.
Mind your business. Don't try it next time.
He will marry you. He came useless boy, useless drunkard. He will marry you. Okay. The marriage. I'll be marrying him.
Welcome. Honey? Honey, what's wrong? What happened? Honey? Honey?
Ado,
Mama, good afternoon.
No.
Ma?
This one you came early today. Come now. Huh? You came back early today. What happened?
Nothing. I just came back.
You just came back?
Oh.
Nah, come. Come. Did you fight today?
No, ma.
Why is your shirt like this?
It's nothing, ma. There is no work, so I came back early.
So because of no work, your shirt is like this?
It is work that made... Mama, you asked too many questions. I'm fine.
Nah, no. Oh. He came. You said you did not fight.
I did not.
But you didn't tell me what happened to your shirt, though.
It's work, ma.
Work? What kind of work na rumpul aqua? Eh? He has not told me the truth.
Excuse me, sir.
What is it?
Madam said I should tell you that lunch is served.
I told Ebe to call you for lunch and you're still here. Sweetheart?
What is it? Can't I have a moment of rest in this house? Can't I?
But sweetheart, what's my offense?
I want to be left alone.
But sweetheart...
Are you deaf? Are you? I said I want to be left alone. Can you hear me? I want to be left alone!
Where are you taking that food to? What do you have there? Food. Where are you taking it to?
And what is your concern where I'm taking my food to?
Are you kidding me?
Uh-huh.
What is you think I don't know where you're taking it? You're taking our food to that's where you're taking the... My friend,
Ebuna, have you not eaten? No, have I not given you food? Have I not?
If I have eaten, does it give you the whole right, the sole right, to take the remaining one to an entity, to a flave? Then what obeys?
Oh, go
on. Yourself, or I
go.
In a cake.
You see, let me tell you. I prepared this food with my own money. With my own money, I'm not your money. So you have no right to tell me what to do.
Can you go OT?
Onyala.
Can we go OT? Okay, for now, this is our father's house. It's your husband's house.
Then?
If you want to do as you like, do it in your husband's house. Listen to me. If you do not take this, okay, flask Ibra, I will need better name mine.
It's my Jamaica. I don't care.
Yeah, I kill him all the time.
Life.
Yeah, I kill him all the time.
No
wonder. After cooking in this house, we will just eat small, and you will tell us that food near Google never just anything.
Look at you. You're not even ashamed of yourself. A big boy like you now, Papa Nonyala. Your mates are out there making money, bringing money to their family to be eating.
Your own mates are in their husband's house, giving for children. Sir, Ya to na ya no.
Mba be wa kwanni mu go dika onye ala ina be akwanni.
Abefo.
Ta wa ne wa.
Abefo e go ya mi si onu. My kindness tells you they check my woundness.
O de ego, o yi ge mewu. Your mates are making money. No e ba na akwanni onye ala.
Imagine, ese ni benna. This girl ebula jenye o fo nyala no lo nwe a. Na nworo pattern. Na nworo style. Be fe puta. Agbago mo underwear gini no ko. E ga adizi underwear less. E ga fo onwe ichelu.
Come here. How are you? You, You're full of surprises.
What is it?
Each time I think of you, you appear from nowhere.
Serious?
Yes.
Were you thinking of me?
Of course, who else will I be thinking of, if not the love of my life?
Okay. I brought you food.
As usual.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You're such a caring woman. Ah, you brought my favorite.
Yes.
Obi, I can't stop thanking you. Thank God I found you. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate all you do.
Yeah. Welcome. Eat. I know you're hungry. Let me assist you in what.
No, don't do that, please.
No.
Obi, no, please.
I can.
I can't watch you stress yourself.
But I'm not complaining.
I want you to sit and watch. In fact, come, let's eat together. Come.
But I've eaten. This is yours alone. Yes.
Please, I don't want you to walk.
You won't. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Obi.
Eat.
Obi.
He came. Eat.
This is delicious.
I know.
You are the best cook in the world.
Thank you.
I greet you.
You say,
I greet you now.
you greet me. Why are you greeting me? Ebulumago.
You killed a lion now.
Okay, I killed lion.
Yes.
Yeah? Ebuna, or whatever you are called. Be careful. I don't have time for drama. Be careful. That thing where you smoke, where they make your head turn, they're everywhere. A person who want to go buy, a person who don't want to go buy. Be careful.
Shut up. No queen for saw. Look at bastard. Who you be? Hey, you be bastard now. You know be son of the soil now. You wear background. You don't get background. If they never tell you, okay, make I spit them. You be bastard. You know a float. You be a floater. Make I tell you, everybody know for this village. Say you no be that woman boy you make you know. If they never clear you, make I clear you right now. And if I catch you a meter away from my sister again, one night ready to fight you. You know what I Lap till now. Lap till can call go. Black and blue can get a career banner.
You want to fight me?
You boy ala. And I judge you. Which one go kita?
Nna, you called me.
Mama, please eat.
Adekwamma. Agini.
Mama, who am I?
Eh?
Who am I?
What happened?
Mama, for the second time today, I have been called a bastard. I need to know who my father is. As my mother, you should know who my father is. Who am I?
I'm coming.
Mama,
Enna.
where are you going to?
Just give me a few seconds. I'm coming. There's something I want to show you. I'm coming, though.
Me, he came bastard. That's all. Are you aware that I'm a bastard?
Is that a joke? How can you ask that question? You and I know that you are my brother.
Thank you very much. Mama will explain better when she comes out.
Hey, Nkiru, pick your call now. Because no, it is urgent. Hey, Nkiru, where are you? Still in the market. No, basically. You have to come into my house now. It's Ikem. He is asking me about his true paternity. Nataba, come, please. Leave everything you're doing and come. Biko. Ngwano. Oh.
Mama, good afternoon. What is happening?
Onebe.
In the house.
Where is Ikem?
Ikem is outside. What is happening now?
Uzoma, is a long story. It is not what I will start telling you now.
A long story you said, Mama. If Ikem is really a bastard, I hope I'm not too.
Ibonyala. Eh? Anyway, don't add to my own pressure. Shalom knows of Biko.
Hey, Mama, I hope father is aware of all this, so Papa me and Menuna. Mama.
Losing it. I asked a simple question and everybody's keeping quiet.
Ikem, you need to calm down. Your questions will be answered.
Which year? It's a simple question. Who am I? I'm supposed to know my father. I need answers.
That is why my sister is here.
Okay.
It happened 27 years ago.
What is the problem? Eh? You have refused to go inside with me. You have been crying since. What is the problem?
Oh, why should you do this to me? What have I done to deserve this from you? What?
What have I done? But I gave you everything you requested. It's not...
Why are you talking about money here? I am not talking about money, Paul.
Then what? What is that?
Take a look at this. Take a look at it.
What is this? What is the meaning of this?
Don't pretend. Don't tell me that you don't know what this says.
See, Nkiru, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Okay, I will tell you. I am pregnant for you. Yes.
Nkiru, this your joke now is very, very expensive. I don't like it.
I'm not joking with you.
I don't like it, please.
Oh, I am not joking with you. I'm serious. I am 2 months pregnant for you.
For me? Nkiru, please, go and look for who got you pregnant. I am not the one. Don't accuse me again. I am not the one, please.
Oh, are you denying me? Oh, you got me pregnant and you're denying me. I am 2 months pregnant for you, Paul.
Nkiru, please, leave my house. I will not warn you again. Leave my house. Leave my house.
Oh, I am not living here. I'm not going anywhere. You got me pregnant, Paul. Oh, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
Agnes! Agnes! What kept you now?
Mama, I went to check Nkiru in her room. She's not there, Mama. I didn't find her.
Where has she gone to again?
I don't know, Mama, but I found this in her room.
Kabukwa paper. What is inside?
It's pregnancy test result, Mama.
It's again?
Pregnancy test, Mama.
Maybe you did not read the content or check very well. Let me go through and see. Should be a mistake or something.
Look at it now. It says she's 2 months pregnant.
Eh? Hey! Chimo! Nkiru ebuonumo. Eh? How? Eh? How did it happen?
I don't know. You have to wait for her to come back to
Hey!
ask her.
Okay, can't you see Kotelu Nwanka Bikon? How? Nkiru, what have I done to you? Hey, did she tell you who got her pregnant?
Mama, I don't know. Let's wait for her to come. Then we ask her.
Hey! Ned, if you alu, if you alu. Hey, Nkiru, why have you decided to disgrace me? Eh? Why have you decided to bring shame to this family? Eh? Kedi family, Nkiru. Hey! I can't take this. Oh. Hey! Omuka Kiru Benifa Noah. Eh? Hey! My sister has decided to bring shame to this family. I will not stand up from here. money and no. She will come back and meet you. Ankarisha. Afternoon, Kegi. Where are you coming from? Oh, you have suddenly gone deaf ears. I said, where are you coming from?
I went to visit my friend.
Oh, your friend. The one that got you pregnant.
Mama, what did you say?
You have suddenly gone deaf. I said, is he not the one that got you pregnant? Or are you not pregnant?
God forbid.
Oh, God forbid.
I'm not pregnant.
Well, wait. Naya. Who has this result? Naya, Mama, who has it?
Where did you get that from?
You are still asking me. Oh, you are crying. Now dear, let me tell you, crying will not help you. Tell me who got you pregnant now.
Answer now. It's for your own good.
Mama. He's not from this village.
Hey! Ozeme. He's not from this village. Hey! Where is he from?
Madam, you said you came all the way from Ajali village.
Yes.
And you came to see my son.
Yes.
Ikonde, Odekwanam.
Papa, Mama, what is going on here?
Our visitors are here to see you.
Now that my son is here, tell us why you're here.
Dalurina, there is no need beating about the bush. Your son here impregnated my daughter, Nkiru.
Echezona.
Mama.
Is it true?
Mama, it's a lie. I don't know what this woman here is talking about.
Echezola, please tell your parents the truth. I am 2 months pregnant for you.
2 months what? May thunder strike you there. When did it happen? I said, when did it happen? You're telling me, Mama, don't mind this girl. Don't mind this foolish girl.
We came all the way from Ajali to this place just to hear this. Have you seen it in Kiru? Inuge?
Madam, Madam, I know what my son can do. Please take your daughter home. Sit her down. Ask her questions like a mother. If she confides in you, she will tell you the person that is responsible for this pregnancy.
Yes. In fact, this my son here. He's still a virgin. He doesn't know any woman. Yes. So you better go and look for who impregnated you. Don't come here and come and lay allegation on somebody else impregnated.
But it's not true.
Somebody that's innocent.
It's not true.
Regarding Uncle, are you saying you are not the one responsible for my sister's pregnancy?
But you heard him now.
Sister, let me educate you. In fact, let me let you know. I don't have anything to do with your sister.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know her. She doesn't know me. She should go and find who is responsible for the pregnancy. I'm not the one.
He's lying.
It's
not true. I'm 2 months pregnant for him, Mama. Please tell them.
Let's go.
How did you even manage to know my place and my name? It's okay. I don't know you.
I'm going to give him away. Have you seen it?
Mama is lying.
Oh, yeah.
Believe me, I don't know this girl.
Oh, nice.
I don't know her.
I believe you.
Crying. What are you doing here? We've been looking everywhere for you. Mama is even worried about you. Biko, get up, let's go home. Oh,
I'm going nowhere. I'm going nowhere, please. Just leave me. Let me stay and decide my fate.
Why? Why? What fate? You are pregnant out of wedlock is not the end of your life now.
It is, oh.
Don't say that, Becos.
Sister, it is.
How is it the end of your life now?
You don't understand. You don't even understand how I feel. You don't. Sister, I'm frustrated. Yes, I am.
Nkiru, don't be. I understand everything. I understand. It's not the end of the world for you. You can still live your life. Please, let's go. Mama is worried about you. Your life has not ended. Eh? It's not the end of your life.
Leave me alone.
Let's go home.
Do not touch me. Don't touch me. Everyone should stay away from me, including you. Don't leave me. Everyone should not leave me alone. They should leave me alone.
Where are you going to? What is this?
We took care of my sister until she put to bed. We did everything possible to bring up this child like he was mine. That was before my mother's death.
Mama, the long story is getting boring. I asked a simple question that demands a simple answer. Who am I? Who is my father?
Calm down, my son. You need to know all the detail.
What detail? Auntie Nkiru, tell me, what detail? She said that an unknown man got you pregnant. What does that have to do with my simple question?
Kim, you need to calm down. That is what I'm trying to do.
I am out of patience. I'm tired of coming down. Tell me what I need to hear. Who am I? Am I not supposed to know my father?
Ikem, calm down. Mama will give you every detail you need.
Uchiye.
No.
Okay.
Calm down now, eh? Wait till no biggie, eh? Sister, go on.
We took care of her till she put to bed. By then I was married. I took care of this child like mine because we didn't want it to make my sister not to get married. God answered our prayers. My sister got married when the baby was 1 year and 3 months old. Ikem, that baby is you.
Hey. Mama, hey, are you saying he came here is not my brother?
I am his mother. Ikem, I am sorry for not telling you the truth. I am sorry for keeping the truth away from you. Please forgive me.
Mama, is it really true?
It is.
Ikem. I am sorry for keeping the truth away from you for so long. Don't see me as a bad mother. Agnes is still your mother. As it stands now, you are the only son in my father's house.
I want to ask you a question.
Go ahead, I will answer any question.
How possible is it that you did not know the man that got you pregnant? Were you that reckless? That means you had so many men in your life that you could not even... I hate you.
It's not what you think.
My husband is back. He said I should call you.
I am not in the right frame of mind to discuss anything with anybody. I need to be left alone.
No, I'm going to answer him.
I said I'm not in the mood. I was gonna meet what? Ulu. Go back to Boganofia. I shall go back. Hey, mama, sister. Asam tom meke. How are you? You okay? Get you about to say. Can't you got that?
Fine. Everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, mama. Can you got to see you?
I'm fine. No. So where are you headed?
Well, I just now quite over. Charlie. What are you feeling?
Okay. Can you please help me with this? It's very heavy. You see my hand.
You know I can do anything for you now. But baby, see, I still the best for you. You wake at the now.
Why? What did I do?
Well, you're not the one that said you were going to come the other day. You let them. Like I say, one hour was there. And if I go see your door, I'm up there. You don't see your saw.
Oh, Dad, don't worry.
Yeah.
I'll come.
Yeah, don't matter.
I'll come.
Today.
This evening.
That woman knows bona. It is finished. Kainawa. That's one. Na if I'm one who's already kana. Let's say that day if you need to see your to. Mop tani run up na volunteer so. Oh dear boo. The money here I don't call okay na As someone I've lived with all my life, someone I call mother each time I wake up, it's not my biological mother. I'm a bastard. A grown bastard. Why would someone let me go through?
Kim, it's okay. Okay? It's okay.
This is painful. This is painful.
I know.
This is painful.
I know. Kim, I know. Well, thank God you know now than later. Okay? So, what do you intend doing now?
I don't even know. I don't even know what to do. I don't know where to start from. I'm totally confused. How do we explain this? That someone I've known all my life as my mother is not my biological mother at this age?
It's okay. It's okay. But I want to assure you something. No matter what, Ikem, just know that I love you. Ikem, I love you so much. Yes. Whether you are a bastard or whatever, I love you. Everything will be fine. Okay?
Yeah. Obioma, what are you doing here? Can I remember? With this useless boy.
Don't call him that name. Do not call him useless boy. And what are you doing with wheelbarrow? Oh, you are pushing water for her.
Okay, don't talk nonsense. This is my girl. I'm your senior brother, so mind the way you talk. Hey, Okembi, I have told you, I have warned you separately to stay clear of my sister.
Yachako, I am not in the mood for this. I'm not in the mood. So please, go.
And what are you still doing?
Asonia.
Excuse me, please. Please, just mind your tongue.
Who is this person? Hansen, I don't understand. Who are you?
No, leave her for me. Keji and no answer. No, I'll take an answer. But why are you so?
Yeah, okay. Why are you so? Not my girl, so.
Are you the owner of this road? Why should I leave?
How do you talk?
That's right.
Oh, this idiot. This idiot cause wahala and wana. Eh? She should be blamed for it.
Look at my face. What I'm scared and blouse.
Imagine. Don't mention my name, oh. Don't mention my name. You are the one that looked for his trouble. Had it been you gone your own way, you wouldn't have beaten you like this.
Are you not ashamed? Eh? Just look at your brother's face. See what that idiot, that good for nothing, useless he-goat did to your brother. You know, what
did I do? Nobody should blame me. Yes, nobody should blame me. Look at you, you're not even ashamed of yourself. Look at what your fellow man did to you. If it's me, you open your mouth and be talking shit.
Onyala. From here. I will design you. I will design.
Ome.
Ome. You see that you and that your boyfriend. Black and white candle.
Ome. I am a black candle. Why did you want that black candle there? Afumanya and Wako. Afumuka Moso. Onyala Mugu. Power here.
You called me a Mugu.
Get away, Messi.
Mama,
what will you
this
do?
One, I swear to God, scot free. You see? Mine. Why don't we go? Have you seen my face?
Bia, Ebuna. Respect yourself in this house.
I'm respecting you because you're my mother.
You are fighting your sister. But your fellow man did this to you.
Do you know what I did to him? I'm a Aishi.
Get out. Get out.
If you come back, you have strength. Let me talk to him. If you come back, you have strength.
Obim.
Ikem, you didn't. I'm fine. You didn't tell me you were coming.
Yes, I had an emergency.
Emergency?
You know that man now? Man's you call.
Good morning. Who is this person?
Good morning, man.
Oh. Hold your money, please. Just hold it well. What is this person doing in my house?
Mama, please calm down. I come in peace. I just
want
to deliver a message.
Is this not the same person that beat up your brother? Oh, no, Bria?
Mama, I come in peace. It was Ebuna's fault. He looked for my trouble.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, he looked for your trouble. You are saying it, in fact, you are proudly saying it because he's not around, Obria. Now get out of my house. Just peacefully get out. Let me not hear your voice now. Let me not hear your voice. Bundle yourself out of my house.
Mama, please, I'm sorry. I'm not a troublesome person. Ebuna looked for my trouble. Please, Mama.
After me, Ofuma, that is why you must go. Just walk away.
Mama, please.
Shut up. I've warned you to leave this bastard alone. Haven't I? Haven't I?
Did you just call me a bastard?
Bundle of bastard. Bunch of bastard. A wonderful bastard in the town. Original bastard.
Nkem. Mama.
Bastard that call me.
Mama. You stop. What is it?
Shut up.
Mama, I don't like this thing you're doing. Ikem.
please, please. I'm sorry. Kim, please. I'm sorry. Please.
It's okay. It's okay. It's all good. Well, I came to tell you that I'm traveling out of this village.
What? Why?
My true identity came knocking. Yes, I need to know my true identity. People call me bastard every now and then, and that's painful.
Is that all?
Yes. Your mother just called me a bastard. You heard her?
Yes. Hey, Kim, you can't run away because of that. People can actually call you what they want. Trust me. With time, they will forget it.
Obim, I want to change environment. I'm traveling to the city. My mind is made.
Kim. Kim. To the city. Who do you know there? How can you go there?
Listen, I want you to always remember me in your prayers. I'm going there to hustle. And I promise, once I succeed, once God blesses me, I will come and marry you. Stay strong for me.
I can't. Please.
Don't cry, please don't.
Mama, are you still trying his line?
His phone is even switched off.
What is happening?
I don't know. I don't know. Well, I have called my sister. And she said he has not called him.
Up till now, Ikem's phone was fully charged before he left this house this morning.
Let's wait till tomorrow. He might call.
This is really worrisome.
It is. Hold on, my sister is calling me. Hello, Nkiru? Has he called you? That is the problem. His phone is switched off. Let us give him till tomorrow. Oh, I'm sure he will call. Ngwano. Oh, bye. My sister is even worried.
Oh, wow.
Do you know that girl that usually visits him here?
Yes, I do.
Do you have her number?
No, Mama. I don't.
We need to get in touch with her. Let us know the last time she spoke with him.
Okay, I will check on her later.
You even know the house?
Yes.
Okay, Omaka, Pico.
Mama, can I bring your food now?
Food? I don't have appetite.
Ha! Mama, you eat though. Is it because of Ikem that you not eat?
Not really. Because later in the day, go to the house of that girl. Let us get the information we want. So?
Okay, Mama, I'll do just that. Don't think about it so much. Ikem is fine. I'll check on her later.
No.
What is the problem?
Hey! My only son.
Only son.
Paul.
What happened?
My son is dead.
What? Lotana?
Hey!
What happened? How? When?
My son is dead. Lotana one. They want you.
Hey! But I was here 2 days ago. I saw him. He was very healthy.
Oh,
no, please calm down, please.
Exactly what we saw this morning. Hey!
Hey!
I wasn't sorry, please.
Because one big God, Lotana, please come. Hey!
I was the water. I'm naked.
Sister, I couldn't sleep last night because of this. I tried his line throughout last night.
He's very much unlike him. Oh. He doesn't switch off his phone. Huh?
Don't you think we should go to the park to get some information about the passengers that left for Lagos yesterday?
Did he tell you the company that he followed their vehicle?
He didn't tell me.
Oh, yeah, because we can't go to the motor park now, Kwale. Huh? Just calm down. Let Uzioma come back.
I am losing patience.
Don't lose it. Let Uzioma come. When she comes, she will tell us everything. No, tell no. Open up for the. How far? Did you see her?
I saw her.
What did she say?
I don't understand anything she's saying.
Okay, fine. What did she say that you did not understand?
Mama, she came with me.
She's here?
Yes, she's outside.
Ungwano sister, let us go and see her since she's here.
Oh.
Mama.
How are you?
Fine. Good morning, Mama.
Why are you crying?
Kim's number has been switched off since he left. And he has not called me as he promised.
Is that all?
Tell them the rest now.
And we rest?
Rest?
I saw on Facebook that same bus Ikem boarded was attacked by armed robbers after Benin.
But how are you sure that it is the same vehicle he boarded?
I followed him to the park. I equally copied the number of the vehicle.
So what happened?
According to the information on Facebook, today that's... They were attacked by armed robbers. They were shot dead, all the passengers.
Including Ikem. Nah, it's not possible. Ikem can't be dead. You will take us to the park. We have to confirm this information.
You heard what my sister said.
Yes.
Please take us to the park. Let us find out ourselves. Oh, hey.
Duru, my friend. I married my wife 15 years ago. She had miscarriages for good 5 years before Lotana came. And since then, my wife could not conceive again. And now, why should death take away my only son?
Be a man. Paul, I know how you feel. It has happened. And the only thing we can do now is to bear it. Please be a man.
I'm here to believe it, even though he has been buried. My son never showed any sign of fever until yesterday morning. Thank God you were here 2 days ago. Why should he die like that?
Paul, don't you think something is wrong somewhere? I suggest you go find out what's happening in your marriage.
I'm going nowhere. I already know who is behind all this.
Really?
Yes. He has been after my family since the death of my father.
And who could that be?
Paul, where is my son? Where's my child? Where's Lutana? Where's my son? I want to see my son. Where is my child?
Oh, Daddy, please, you are hurting yourself. Calm down, please.
No. What am I living for? Can you tell me that this is all a dream? Just wake me up. Wake me. I'm dreaming, right? I'm dreaming.
Please, calm down. Crying will not bring your son back to you. Please.
My son is not dead. Lotana, he's not dead, Mama.
It's okay. You can't keep crying like this. I know what happened to our son. And I will not keep quiet over it.
What? I'm not crying. Am I crying? No. I'm not crying. See my son. Come. 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 See Lotana, he's coming. Can't you see him? See, he's coming. Lotana, come. Come, Wambia.
Nani, go straight to the point. Tell our son why we invited him.
Echezana.
Papa.
Echezana, let me be frank with you. Your mother and I, we are not happy at all. You see, our people do say, no, no. Let me ask you, how is your wife, Carol, doing?
But she's fine. She's doing well.
Is she pregnant? Because that's what your father meant.
For now, she's not pregnant yet.
Imagine that. It is on 15 good years of marriage. Have you forgotten you are the only son of this family?
Mama, what are you trying to say? Mama, I perform my duty every morning, every night. She will conceive at the appointed time.
You are doing nothing, Echezona. You have done nothing.
Oh.
Mama, are you not a mother? Are you not a woman?
Hey.
It's okay. To answer your question, Mama, I perform my duty every night, every morning. I do everything. Mama, I'm a boy. I do my duty. I carry out my responsibilities. Mama, at the appointed time, my wife will be pregnant.
That's not what I'm saying. What is Caro still doing in your house if she cannot give you a child?
Ask him.
Huh?
Mama, are you indirectly asking me to divorce my wife?
How can I do it? Listen, Echezona. Asị na agadi nwaanyị danda gbara ịbụa agwa ihe opu n'ọnụ. Agwa will count it to confirm what she's carrying. Let me ask you, do you need to be told that Carol, your wife, is nothing but a man? She's not a woman. That is quite impossible to bear children for you. Do you need to be told that?
Papa, to prove you wrong, we've gone for medical test and the result says that both of us are fit enough for procreation.
Tests or no tests, Caro is barren. You need another woman in your life to prove to her that you're a man.
Exactly.
Mama, One woman alone is enough stress. Just one is enough stress. And you are advising me, your son, to get 2 wives. It's your account want to pogemelo. Eh? Mama, that will spell disastrous for me. I can't try it. One alone is enough stress. I won't try it.
Nah. Send Karu away before it's too late for you. You know you Echezonam. But then when you get your mom, grandchildren. That's what I want.
Echezona, let me give you a piece of advice. The main purpose for getting married is to have children. Procreation, as you put it. You better start having a rethink about your marriage with Karu before it becomes too late. I've warned you.
I had you.
He's even walking out. Echezona, come back here.
Echezonam. Echezonam.
Mama Echezona.
Onye abụrụ Echezona nwa nke mmụ.
Are you saying this?
Ọ bụrụ nwa nwoke dị fa.
Kim's number is still switched off. That means what Ubioma said is true. That means those armed robbers might have collected his phone and shot him dead. Mama, what happened? Mama, what happened?
That thing is true.
Mama.
We went to the bus company. The manager said that it actually happened.
Hey, I know.
That we should come back tomorrow. And all the cops will be there for identification and collection.
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I can see you're very busy.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. I want to see my room in the next 5 minutes. There is something very important I want you to help me out with.
Yes, sir.
You may continue.
Test or no test. Carol is barren. You need another woman in your life to prove to her that you're a man.
Exactly.
Come in. Are you done with what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
Right. Sit.
I should sit.
Yes. Calm down. Don't be scared. Okay. Come. Where are you going?
Sir, please. I'm not comfortable. supposed to be here.
Calm down. Calm. Just calm. Calm down. You see, my wife is not around. And she's not coming anytime soon. So, it is you and I alone in this house. Okay? It's okay. Just calm down. Sit. You see?
So you know...
No, relax. Don't be scared. I want to make you feel like a woman. Okay?
Sir, please. Madam will not be happy if she finds out.
No. How will she know? I will not tell her. Will you tell her? Will you? Of course, keeping quiet means you're not going to tell her. So this is between you and I. You understand? I want to make you feel like a woman. I want to make you enjoy it. I promise you, she's not going to hear about it. She's not going to hear about it. I will take it gently with you. Okay? No, just relax. Okay?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to clean up this mess now.
Turn. Baby, turn, let me see your face. You're crying and your eyes are red.
I'm having a slight headache.
You're having a slight headache and you're crying. Don't you know it will aggravate the headache? Have you taken any medication?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Serve the food and take some rest, okay? You can't be crying when you have headache. It will make it worse.
Thank you, ma'am.
Agnes, it is 1 week now since you and your sister visited my house. And since then, I didn't hear from any of you at all.
Uncle, what do you mean by you did not hear from us?
Yes, because by now, we are supposed to have been planning on how to give Ikem a befitting funeral. But I didn't see you at all.
Uncle, is that why you traveled from the village? Why you traveled all the way from the village to here?
Agnes, is it not worth it? Yes, answer me. Is it not worth it? Anyway, I'm doing all this just because of your own benefit, your own interest. But why you decide not to give Ikem a befitting burial, I'll just go to my house and rest. After all, he's not my blood.
Exactly. He is not your blood. So why are you bothering yourself?
Just because I care.
Uncle Biko, leave my house.
Yeah? Agnes, you must be equal. Did you hear yourself? I should leave your house.
Yes.
I should leave your house.
Leave. Leave. I don't want to force you. I don't want to push you. Just go.
Push me?
I will push you, Uncle.
Agnes, you push me?
What is it?
Hey!
This man is evil. He has been planning his own funeral, not Ikem's own.
God forbid.
I told him to go. I don't know what he's still doing here.
Uncle, we could come and go.
I am going nowhere. I will stay here until until you push me away. That's what I'm waiting for now. Agnes said she will push me out. Push me now.
Uncle.
You have just misinterpreted my good intentions.
Uncle.
Huh?
Uncle, come and go. My mom just say you should go.
Uncle. The one even named.
Come and go now.
Agnes, push him out.
Uncle.
Huh?
Leave.
We leave.
Leave, Uncle. Leave.
You can check in. Push him out.
Uncle, come and start going. You are looking for trouble. Uncle, come and start going.
You will tell me, please. Agnes.
Yes, you can go. But don't worry, my wife will not hear about this, okay?
Sir, please, let's not do this again. I might get pregnant.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Take this, okay?
No, thank you. I don't need it.
Oh, come on, take it. This is from my heart. I'm the one giving it to you. Take.
I'm sorry, sir. I can't take it. I have to go now.
Test or no test. Carol is barren. You need another woman in your life to prove to her that you're a man.
Exactly. Udugu Kambo. Do I need to regret what I did? No. I need to prove myself as a man. And what I did is one of the proofs.
How are you?
I'm fine, Ikem.
Good to see you.
Yes. Ikem.
This is for you.
Yes. Why did you come back?
Not quite long.
You left everybody in the dark.
Yes, it's not easy out there in the city. I was struggling to find my feet first.
Okay.
How is Mama and everybody?
They're all fine. They're all fine. I missed you so much.
I missed you more.
Come and sit, please.
No. I'm in a hurry. Yes, but I want you to follow me.
I should follow you?
Yes.
Okay. Let me drop this bread.
All right.
I'm coming.
Obi. My baby. Go. Mama, oh. Mama. Wait here.
Oh, you're here to tell me why you brought me here.
Just wait, I'm coming. Mama. Then I will August visitor.
Morning, ma. How are you? Fine, ma. No.
Mama.
Eh?
She's the one.
Ah, that's very interesting. No, welcome. Oh.
Thank you, ma.
Oh, welcome. I think I've seen you somewhere.
Yes, you've seen
know
her
me?
before.
Oh, ma'am?
Emma?
Mama, I brought her for you to officially see her.
My son, you did well. Oh? What? Meluneoji.
Let me go back to my kitchen. I was cooking before you called me. No, oh?
Thank you, ma. What did you tell her about me?
Relax. I told her I want to make you my wife. You know, you're such a... In fact, you're wonderful, beautiful, inside out.
Stop.
Are you happy?
Of course I am happy.
Are you sure you're happy?
Yes, you should know I'm happy.
All right. Close your eyes.
I should close my eyes. Why should I do that?
Please.
No, tell me, why should I close my eyes?
I said please.
How many seconds?
Less than 1 minute.
Okay. Eyes closed.
Don't open your eyes.
I won't. Open it. I will open it right now. 1, 2. It came. Stop. It came. Good. Open.
Open my eyes. Don't want to open my eyes. Okay. 1, 2. Oh, it came.
Oyala. Mbu. Onye mbu. Eka still one. Cabin biscuits. That is what you are. Hey! Ilego. Lewandowski.
I was just sleeping. You are disturbing me.
Ose! You were sleeping. You payment sleep. Sleeping Mulanya. Do you know what you were saying? He came. AI, voila. You go mad, oh. You are running crazy. In fact, if you go mad, I will be the number one to bring chain, gear left and right. Continue. Continue. Look at what you're doing to yourself. I. Continue. My. Therefore, now I go here.
Was I actually doing all these things? I thought I was sleeping. I was calling Kim.
Mama.
Is your ma?
It's ringing.
What?
Kim.
Ah!
Kim is Hey. He's still ringing now.
He did not pick. He's not talking.
Let me call him again, Mama. He's ringing.
What's up? Hey. He didn't pick. Call him again. Call him. Thank God the number is going now. Call him. Hey,
Mama is on another call. Let's wait small.
He will call us back. At least the good thing is that the number is going.
Well, that's true. I'm coming.
Okay.
Your body is very hot. How long have you been feeling like this?
It started about 4 days ago.
4 days? And you did not tell me about it? Have you taken medication?
Yes, ma. I bought some anti-malaria drugs.
Anti-malaria. So what type of anti-malaria drugs did you take?
I've forgotten the name, but I still have the...
Agnes.
Uncle.
I understand you are the one that is in possession of the keys to my late brother's house.
Which of your late brothers?
Your father, of course. Nduka.
My father.
Yes, I want the keys. I need it.
You want the keys to my father's house?
You heard me very well.
EJ Megan. Huh?
Agnes, don't even pretend as if you don't know the tradition again. Tradition says that that house belongs to me.
Alose.
Because my late brother had no son as at the time he died. And you know very well he has no son.
Okay, okay. So, you left our village to my house here just to collect the key to my father's house.
Yes.
Huh?
Am I the one you are talking to like this?
Yes.
Agnes.
Yes.
Agnes, don't allow me make you regret this item.
Regret what?
Go in there and hand over the keys to me.
What is your business with my father's house? Okay, do.
It's my entire business. The house now belongs to me.
Okay. All right.
Yeah?
Go home.
Agnes, Naya, if I live here without those keys, you will regret it.
Me?
Better go and provide it.
Me? Regret what? Uncle, see about poor. See about poor.
Missy Bempo.
Bonya.
Missy Bempo.
See Bempo.
Now, as far as I'm concerned, that house is my house.
Your house.
Don't allow me to reach home without those keys. Otherwise, Tonya,
Side, go and enter.
Don't allow me to get home without those keys. Oh.
Nonsense.
Go
and enter the house.
Agnes.
Ebube!
Are you ready to tell me who got you pregnant?
Auntie, please. Auntie, please, Auntie, forgive me.
Forgive you for what? You're not ready to talk, Abi?
I'll talk. Auntie,
You don't want to talk! I start talking. Don't you dare lie to me.
I won't lie. It's my boyfriend, yes. My boyfriend. Auntie, please, my boyfriend.
Who is your boyfriend?
Hey. Auntie, please. It's Oga. Auntie, it's Oga. Auntie, it's Oga.
Who is Oga?
It's not my fault. It's not my... It's not my fault, though. Hey! Hey!
So what happened to the maid?
She has been discharged from the hospital. But unfortunately, she lost the baby. My wife wanted to send her packing out of the house, but I insisted she must stay until she's fully recovered.
Echezona. You see, you made a very big mistake. How could you sleep with the maid?
Oh, come on, Onyebushi. Don't blame me over this. Don't. As a matter of fact, this incident opened my eyes to so many things and it got me thinking. The big question is, why haven't my wife got pregnant after 15 years of marriage? But just a single touch, bam! On my maid, and she took in.
That means you have a very big assignment in your hands. You must make inquiries about your marriage.
Oh, no, I don't need to make any inquiries. After all, I have a son in this village.
Huh? What is it?
This is not a laughing matter. Let me tell you how it happened.
Madam, you said you came all the way from Ajali village.
Yes.
And you came to see my son.
Yes.
Bikonde, Odekwanam.
Papa, Mama, what is going on here?
Our visitors are here to see you.
Now that my son is here, tell us why you're here.
Dalurina, there is no need beating about the bush. Your son here impregnated my daughter, Nkiru.
Echezona,
Mama.
Is it true?
Mama, it's a lie. I don't know what this woman here is talking about.
Echezola, please tell your parents the truth. I am 2 months pregnant for you.
2 months what? May thunder strike you there. When did it happen? I said, when did it happen? You're telling me, Mama, don't mind this girl. Don't mind this foolish girl.
We came all the way from Ajali to this place just to hear this. Have you seen it in Kiru? Inuge?
Madam, Madam, I know what my son can do. Please take your daughter home. Sit her down. Ask her questions like a mother. If she confides in you, she will tell you the person that is responsible for this pregnancy.
Yes. In fact, this my son here. He's still a virgin. He doesn't know any woman. Yes. So you better go and look for who impregnated you. Don't come here and come and lay allegation on somebody else impregnated.
But it's not true.
Somebody that's innocent.
It's not
true. Regarding Uncle, are you saying you are not the one responsible for my sister's pregnancy?
But you heard him now.
Sister, let me educate you. In fact, let me let you know. I don't have anything to do with your sister.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know her. She doesn't know me. She should go and find who is responsible for the pregnancy. I'm not the one.
He's lying.
You know what?
It's not true. I'm too much pregnant for him, Mama. Please tell them.
Let's go. How did you even manage to know my place and my name? It's okay. I don't know you.
I'm going to give him away. Have you seen it?
Mama is lying.
Oh, yeah.
Believe me, I don't know this girl.
Oh, nice.
I don't know her.
Are you serious about it?
Absolutely. I am serious. And I have this belief inside of me that as soon as I unite with my son, all this problem will be over.
Chizana, unfortunately, the son you're talking about is dead. Dead.
Dead?
Dead.
I want to talk to you.
The guy, that one.
I greet you all.
Pour me wine. Uncle, no. He will pour you. This is my house. Yeah. Today is my day. How do you go? Okay.
My daughter, it is time to give your husband dinner. Take this drink. Whosoever you give it to, we shall call your husband. Go now.
I'm so sorry I kept you waiting, okay?
It's okay.
As you can see, I'm on my way to the city. Please, always remember me in your prayers. And don't forget the promise we made to each other. We must wait for each other.
Yes.
Once I succeed, I'll come and marry you. Please, don't disappoint me. Oh?
I won't.
Stop crying.
I won't.
Stop crying.
I won't.
It's okay. Don't do this here. Can't, please. Stop crying.
I will miss you.
I miss you too. Please. Be strong for me, oh? You know?
I will.
I love you.
Can I at least escort you to the park?
Of course. You can it too now.
No! Mama! Mama! He came. Mama! He came. He came, Mama. He came. Mama? He came. He came. He came, Mama. He came. Mama? He came.
Mama?
Huh? You're dead.
God forbid, Mama, I'm not dead.
Hey!
It's me! It's me, Chubu became now. I'm fine. Who told the people I'm dead?
Mama,
come on, stop now.
You're not dead?
Okay, watch. I'm dead here now. I'm not dead.
Mama!
Now we dead here, Mama!
He came. He came.
Papa,
Brother.
Mama, this is my
you so much.
How are you? Who told you I'm dead? Mama, it's a long story. Please. You hate her here. I hate to see you. Let's go in.
I am not bringing the bride price home. I'm not refunding it because of tomorrow. I have collected the money because of tomorrow.
Obioma, say something now. Kunu. What is the problem?
Eguna, calm down. That one is not a problem.
That is a problem. It is a problem, uncle. Because tomorrow now they will say someone should refund.
Obioma, please say something so that we know what we do. Please.
Obioma, kunu. Kedi yedi yenka.
You don't want to talk. I will not return that money tomorrow. I know you.
This is the problem.
Obioma, come back.
She's not talking to anybody here.
Tomorrow, if someone says bring money, I will not.
What is this?
You're asking me what is this? You should know. You know what is the problem.
What is the problem? What do I know?
You are asking me.
No, what do I know?
Do not pretend. You know what is the problem.
You
don't want to tell her. If you go Vaseline,
Mama, it was a horrible experience.
Hey!
We were approaching Bini when armed robbers opened fire on us. Our driver died at the spot.
Jesus!
Mama, those people are so mean.
How?
Mama, they robbed everybody in that house.
Hey.
They collected my phone, made away with the little cash I had. But when the robbery was going on, Mama, at some point I was like, no, you cannot end it this way.
At all, you cannot die like that.
Mama, I fell down, rolled through that bus, fell into the nearest gutter, jumped up and ran into the bush.
Telling you, Mama.
They opened fire, they were shooting like this.
Hey!
How I survived, only God knows.
Hey,
to crown it all, Mama, I was in that bush Do you know that boss went up in flames? I thought I wouldn't know.
Hey,
they are heartless, Mama.
God, truly, you show mercy to whoever you want to show mercy. Yes, thank you.
I came out of the bush after some hours. How I got to Lagos, I don't even know. Total miracle.
God.
Total miracle. God just saved my life.
But is this for real? For sparing my son's life.
How is Obioma, my love?
He came. I don't know how to say this. I was actually going to Obioma's house. Today is a traditional marriage.
I'll say Obioma is getting married.
Yes, brother.
Today is her tradition.
Nah, cause Papa, get me a Jesse. Nah.
He came.
What have you done? Mama, you shouldn't have told him.
Mama, don't blame me. Is it not better I told him?
Somebody that just came back after all these years, what do you think he is going there to do?
Mama, he will do nothing. Considering the fact that Obioma has been waiting for Ikem to come back and rejected many suitors, please.
I just do not like it at all. Knowing him, he might go there and start causing trouble.
Mama, Happy Ikem, when he gave me, he will be fine. He will be fine.
What else can you tell me? What else will you say? What do you know? Cham knows of.
Mama, I want Ikem, my brother, to marry Obioma. Obioma is a nice girl.
Mama, I can't find Obioma in the room. Obioma is not in her room. Did you see her?
She's supposed to be in her room now.
Obioma is not in her room, Mama. Hey! Timo, Uncle.
What is the problem?
Obioma is the problem. We can't find Obioma.
Some of her guests said they saw her going out of the village. Probably she must have run away.
Obioma ran away. No. I want to go. Bam, 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 bam. Do you know how much my in-law has given to me? You know how much?
Let's go and look for her. Let's go. Let's go.
Uncle, let's go. She ran away. If I catch Obioma, I will run it to her. She will know.
Obioma, why? Why now? What have I done to you? Is it a crime to get married? Ah!
Your track, you ran away. Huh? What is this? I don't understand it. I don't understand it one bit. But however it is, do I know? Uncle, do I know? Do I know?
So what are we going to do now? Because our in-laws are waiting.
Uncle, we have to go now. As Kenya concerned, you know what to tell our in-laws and you know how to put it. Tell them to go. That everything will be fine. That we shall send words to them. Because Uncle Moto's Bioma, Onya Jukwana Mesa, Makanga, dear Vam Vam Vam.
Calm down, my son. Calm down. Let's go.
Over the Nukwano to go. Over the Uncle Bioma. Where am I? Special soap, the number of doors. Come back and meet me. Wherever you have gone.
Hi. It's almost evening and Ikem is not yet back. Hi, look at what you have caused now.
Sister, where is Ikem?
He's not yet back.
Why?
My sister, I don't know.
Oh, sister, you shouldn't have allowed him to go now. Now, no one knows when he's coming back.
No, it's not me you will blame. Blame Ozioma. Ozioma is the cause. Eh? Ozioma! Ozioma! Ozioma!
Ma. Auntie, you're welcome. Mama, you called.
Have you seen what you caused?
Mama, what did I do now?
Now nobody knows what is going on. You have to go there and find out what is going on there.
Mama. Sister, I am going with her. Nne, Ngwakaiga. Biko, biko, biko. I don't know. Kaiga.
Ogaduru.
See me.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you, my wife, my wife?
I'm fine, though. I'm fine.
Hey. I can see it's written all over you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. It's God.
I can
it's
see.
God. But Ogaduru, where have you been for the past 1 year?
I traveled.
Oh, yeah.
I just came back 3 days ago, yeah.
Hey. Yeah. You look good, though. Omaka. Okay,
thank God.
I hope you bought something for me.
Of course.
Of course. Okay, let me go call your friend for you.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
No.
The man Polo.
See my man.
The man Polo. It's been a while. How you doing? Well, thank God.
The man do. My own man.
Here we are. How is business?
I know Tigi, and business is not been okay. It's not been good for the past 5 months now. Everything has come back. I've even sold my shop in the market. It's a long story. It's a long story. It's a long story. As I'm talking to you now, you are man now feed from hand to mouth.
Mbano. Are you telling me the truth?
In fact, it's a long story. Like, let's go inside. Like, I want to look at you. Let's go inside.
Oh,
down there. I'm saying it, and I'll keep saying it. I will not return that bride price. I will not return it. What do you even know why?
So, bride price is now more valuable than the life of your sister.
If Obioma is here now, we will be fighting like cat and dog, like rat and cat. Eh? So let's now we go na okwoka bukwa boso ụtụtụ adị amụkwa ama ọ na-echekwala obusi nwa me woptekwa nwa me wobe anyway go be stand for. Thank God, Uncle is here. Uncle, good morning. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Mama Bioma.
Hi, welcome.
I saw Bioma come back.
Nebe, we have not seen her. She's not here yet. Do you remember that boy I told you that has been making Obioma reject suitors? Yes. You remember?
The one you said died 3 years ago.
Bagam. Uncle, there are people who came here yesterday, the moment you left. Now the boy that he was coming here. Whether he was here in Alanka.
A dead man?
Oh. The same thing I said. Except that is the same thing we are here arguing with Mama, and she's telling me, Uncle, let me announce it. I shall not return the bride price. Because those people are criminal. They should be held responsible for their massive disappearance. Hey, come on, Judo. Hey, Judo, not to go out. He came. Jesus.
Babiama.
Yo, yeah, call rice because where have you been?
You said you thought I'm dead.
I'll be going to say that. But you don't know it's on your
Tottenham.
Tottenham, bad boys, they're dropping him or no blue.
Wahala for who no confuse people. Welcome, my son. Thank you, sir. I love. It's not easy to make it in Lagos. I went through different kind of challenges. Yes, I slept under the bridge for 4 months. 4 good months. I pushed barrow. I did car wash business. As a matter of fact, I was under that bridge for 4 months until I got a bacha.
Bacha kwa?
Now, 1,000 naira per month. But it was better than under the bridge because I had where to lay my head. Bacha, you know that normal plank bacha now?
Yes, I know.
From under bridge to bacha.
It's better, Sha.
Yeah, it's better now. But look at what happened. I was going to, what's it called? I was doing car wash business. It's not like I own the car wash business. So okay. They pay us according to how many cars we wash a day.
Yes.
Then I bumped into my old friend. He schooled in this village now. We went to the same primary school.
Are you serious?
My sister. If you see my friend, he was now fresh and big. I was like, what happened? He was even shocked to see me. He now told me that he would help me. I was like, that he based in Malaysia. He said, He said I should relax, that he will come back for me.
Yes.
I thought it was one of those fake promises. Malaysia. The whole story changed.
Wow.
But the experience was horrible. That under bridge, I will never forget that.
I know. I've heard about that Lagos life thing.
Yeah. It wasn't easy for me. But here we are.
Yes, good to have you.
Mm-hmm.
I've missed you. Come. I was just thinking about you. Like, I don't know. I missed you so much.
You don't even know what to say, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Why the sudden change on your face?
Kim, you wouldn't have refused to return the bride price.
Don't worry, I'll handle all that.
You will?
Yes. You're talking about the bride price, right?
Yes.
I will handle all that. Come here, I'm happy to see you.
Me too. I love you too.
Ugolo? Have you seen why I call you a dog trained by a woman that goes about eating eggs? Attach some little respect to that name, Ugolo.
We only give honor to whom honor is due.
So honor is not due to me?
Yes, you lost your respect the moment you started misbehaving. After all my warning, you went ahead and continued with your activities on my property. How dare you? How dare you?
Let me tell you something. If you dare me, you will lose, because I'm sure I'll eat you up. I'll eat you raw. I will eat you without water. You don't know who you're talking to. I will teach you why I'm called Igolo. Even now, you know it. Be careful.
You can't do more than a dead rat. What if you get there?
I can do nothing. No problem. Let me see your hand. Is it because I ran away from you the other day? Ask me, okay, that was the reason I ran away. But for now, let me tell you, you are too small for me. If you tell me again, I will tell you why I'm called Igolo. Even Adananti, Aburifon Atonoto. Bitakola. Look at this little boy.
What if you get me?
Huh?
Abiada Bobo. And that's why they're not born. If I see you anywhere close to that property again, I will make sure you spend 5 days in police cell. After that, I will bail you out, beat you like a pauper, and start attacking you spiritually and physically.
Then let me ask you. You said you will lock me up. In case this one I feel then. You said you will lock me up.
It's a promise.
Ikem, this is the height of it all. You are gradually approaching the end of the road. Be very careful. Listen to me. If you dare me, you will regret it. Honestly.
I will dare you and nothing will happen because my property is my property. I don't understand why an old miserable fool like you will be dragging something that is not yours. I have removed all the beacons you put there. I am starting work on that property anytime soon. For your own good, stay clear to avoid casualty.
Now listen to me, Kim. Don't rest over the spirit. A child that chooses to dance surrogate must through tears and sorrows learn that surrogate is a dance meant only for the spirits.
I will shut up today.
Yes.
You are not a spirit, you are just an ordinary man. Do you think I'm one of those people you will deceive with such words? I know what you do. You go about talking fear into people. Spirit this, spirit that. Answers. Now you are ordinary man, Cable.
Ishem, Naya, ma piaye chaka.
Okay.
Yanti, ma piaye chaka. Tiye ine pakum.
Kaineme.
Opa tiye ine pakum.
Okay.
Naya, ngogo na ngogo ya jubo ya. Iwa ni brigon na yenu. Ngogo na ngogo ya jubo ya idiot. I am sorry for you. Bari charimu. Don't worry, I am waiting for you. He came. Oh, don't worry. Just go ahead and do your best. I'm coming behind you. No problem.
Ebuna, Mokike. Ebuna, my friend. You said you have good news for me.
Of course. Bros also, it is not just good news, but testimony. I give it everywhere I go.
Yes.
My brother, do you still remember that boy you asked me about? Do you still remember him? The boy I told you that is dating my sister now.
Yes.
Hey!
What is that his name again?
He came.
Yes, he came. Yes, I remember him. But you told me he was dead?
Mba. It was rumored that he was dead. But, my brother, as I am talking to you, I do not know where this Alba. Ebo Subuti came to Pentecost to Wagan at this town. As I'm talking to you, he's in this town. Buying all the lands all the lands, if it's their mansion, we're gonna release you where they can sue piante.
Tell me something.
As I'm talking to you, that's the way it is.
Are you serious?
Raw. The guy beat up by Miss Moy, Mojumi Mateko, Jumi Malay, any other book draw. Look at the constitution where this young
Wonders shall never end.
Hey! Jesus Christ. Dude, that is my testimony and good news. Eh?
How has it been? Eh? We thank God. We thank God. You are not looking bad either.
Okay, they call it Tuanka. Hey. But baby, do you know if you can be doing this in an ROC unique pop?
You like it?
Yeah?
Hey!
Yeah. Oh,
What is the meaning of this? Eh?
The meaning of what?
Ebe! What are you doing with my Ebuna?
Is that a joke? Who is your Ebuna?
I am talking and you are still holding him like that.
Ifama, are you mad or you're trying to run mad? No, you must be mad. You must be mad. Avoid me, oh. Be careful with me. Ebuna, why are you not saying anything?
Wait, because...
Why are you not saying anything? Please tell her to excuse us. We need some privacy.
She said she needs some privacy. Hallelujah. You just go.
What kind of privacy? Eh? Don't even go there. Don't even go there. Oh, Ebuna, so you've been sleeping with this one? Eh? What is she even talking about? Ebuna, you sleeping with her. I can't believe
this. It's not your... meanwhile, we can settle this thing amicably. Listen, go. I'll come and see you.
For what? You say what? You're going to do what? Ifama, for your information, Ebuna is mine, and here is a ring he gave me.
What?
Yes.
Is he the guy you've been telling me about?
Oh, yes.
It's a lie! Ebuna, you're very wicked! Ebuna, you are heartless! God, I can't believe this. And as for you, Ebuna is mine. He also engaged me.
Yes, Ifama, he did that. You are the most...
I said shut up! You shut up your mouth! I am still talking, shut up!
Go!
No.
Go, let's go!
Leave me,
Come, let's go! Go here! I said leave him alone.
Echizona, there is nothing to be afraid of. Okay. The young man in question is a very nice guy. Wow. Yeah, I've met with him 3 times.
Okay.
The other day he took me to the place he's building his house. Magnificent building.
Oh.
Yeah.
Did you look at his face very well? His eyeball, his ear, his hair, skin color. Does he look like me?
No, not exactly, but it doesn't count. It doesn't count. You see, a child will either look like the father or the mother.
Yeah, you have a point there. You have a point there. Were you able to get his contact as promised?
Yes, I did. Got the contact. But you see, this is not a matter you discuss on phone. Like they said, a desperate situation demands a desperate measure. Yeah, but you got on the phone. You need to see him one-on-one, and you talk with him. You get that?
Oh. In that case, how do I meet with him?
Meeting with him. Okay, I would arrange for a meeting.
Okay.
You just give me some time, then I will communicate with you.
Onyebuchi, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
What are friends for?
Thank you.
You're begging a phone.
All right, bro. I appreciate it.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah.
Umuna Ekenemono. I summoned this meeting because of what Ugolo told me yesterday. Ugolo, say what you told me before everybody here.
Hey, Umuna Ekenemono. Chai! What am I going to see? Umunna. And whenever I encourage you, Umunna and Amaro. We all here are aware that my late brother, Nduka, had no son. Yes. He had no male child. Yes, we know. And that according to our tradition, I am the one to inherit his property. So I've already inherited the property. When this young man suddenly came back from nowhere and threatened that I should disappear from my own property. That I should leave my property and run away. I said, young man, I don't know who you are, because I'm sure that you are not my brother's son. Why are you intervening in my property? He told me many things, threatened to kill me, pursued me away from that place. Few days time he came back with police, arrested me, and I spent 5 good days in police cell. Arrow. So I came out from the police cell after 5 days. After me, after Armaya, I came out from the police cell. But what shocked me most was that I discovered that he has fenced the entire compound with a very big gate. That's why I tried to say, now if I go for now.
Thank you.
Beg him to leave my property alone. Otherwise, listen up. Otherwise, I will invoke my ancestors and they will strike him dead.
No, just calm down.
I will invoke the spirit of my brother.
Thank you. You've made your point. Yeah, young man, you heard him.
Point of direction. Don't call me young man. You know my name, so stop pretending.
Hey, yeah. You are talking to our chairman.
Okay. I will plug off your left eye, Bisky. Don't make me remember the past. Case gig at the fridge. Don't make me remember the past.
Ikem, why did you arrest Golo?
I will answer no such question. Yes. This man here called me an illegitimate son. No problem. But if I see you anywhere around that property, I will show you how an illegitimate son behaves.
Ikem, are you aware you are talking to the chief?
Nonsense. Makaina, let's go up and down.
Ikem is my son, and that makes him Ndoka's son.
You are causing confusion in this land. Tell your son the truth.
The truth is, he's my son. He's my father's son as well.
Okay.
Sister Kaipo from Dara.
Wine is the best wine.
You're very correct. It's a natural drink and doesn't have any after effect.
Yes, sir.
I'm not really into it, but I heard it nourishes the body.
Well. As a matter of fact, palm wine has all the nutrients someone needs. I'm telling you.
Look at Jolunaka. I understand it equips the body. Huh? When you want to perform in the other room.
Onyebuchi, you're so funny.
No, boy, he's telling you the truth. Yes. Palm wine. This is what every performing man needs. Get the jack. Not every man. Any performing man needs palm wine. Performing, that's the trips.
See, both of you have really lectured me on something, and I think henceforth I should be taking more of palm wine.
You need a more.
Very, very important.
Palm wine doing so.
Let me go and offload the one I've downloaded. I'll be back soon.
All right.
I mean, I'm seriously pressed now.
I heard you came back from Malaysia.
Yes, so now we be the last batch we pick for Malaysia before I back here.
You see, I have some friends in Malaysia. As a matter of fact, majority of them have located to China. I am connected from China to Malaysia, Malaysia to Europe, all parts of the world. I am connected.
Only you want.
If I want to use Erika.
Nice one.
So tell me, what do you do in Malaysia?
What else do men do in Malaysia? Excuse me. Yeah. Oga, listen. You are getting on my nerves. I don't like this. What's your problem? You are not my father. You can't be my father, and I don't need a father. What's your problem? Why do you want to reap where you did not sow? My friend, you're a gold digger. Yes, you are a gold digger. Stop calling this line. Stop. I'm warning you. I will arrest you. I'm warning you. Stay out of this phone. I will arrest you. What nonsense? You are my father. Where were you? I will block this line. Can you imagine this scammer? No, can you imagine this bloody scammer claiming to be my father? I told him, you are not my father, you can't be my father, and I don't know my father, and I don't need a father. My brother, I'm sorry, but just... I mean, it's annoying. Why would you want to reap where you did not sow? You are my father overnight. You are my father now. Everybody wants to be my father. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. Okay?
It's okay.
Right now I don't make money. Everybody won't be my papa. They said they be my papa. Everybody won't be my papa. Everybody said they be my papa.
Why are you stopping the keke now? Why?
You have not told me where you're taking me to. What's me of this? I'll get down.
Calm down now. Better calm down. We'll soon be there.
Soon be where?
No, why you no? No, why you no want to go federal We'll soon get there. Okay. We are going to my in-laws' place. Let's go.
Oh, you're begging her, eh? You're begging her because I've been keeping quiet.
And look at this one. How does it concern you?
Will you shut up? Shut up your mouth.
No, why you no? Keke Becos start ya ka apple. Becos. Let's start. Let's go.
Was I talking baby bingo?
What is your problem? So na abuzina ma so.
Baby bingo.
I'm not fear. Stupid girl. Idiot.
Get melonu.
Stupid thing.
How did it go? Mama, the pregnancy test confirmed that both of them are pregnant for you.
What? So this is true. Ebuna got 2 women pregnant at the same time.
And the bigger problem is that the families are insisting he must marry both of them because he promised them marriage.
Chimo! Chimo! How can he promise 2 women marriage at the same time?
Yeah.
He got 2 of them pregnant at the same time. He promised them marriage at the same time. Orala. Mbanka orala di.
Ala na mma. Ala.
Chineke.
Na ego ni no because.
Where will he get money to marry 2 wives at the same time?
But that shouldn't be a problem, eh? Don't let that bother you. I will keep taking care of them until they put to bed. And once they put to bed, I will also sponsor Ebuna's marriage.
Eh? Ikem,
So you are supporting my brother to marry 2 wives?
That's the only way forward. I don't want those children to suffer what they don't know. I don't want them to experience what I'm going through now. So let's package them.
Ebuna has killed me. Ebuna has brought shame and disgrace to this family.
Mama, I understand how you feel, but this might be a blessing in disguise.
Agene. No, marrying 2 wives will be a blessing in disguise. It can never be.
No, that's not my point. Charles.
Uh-huh.
The unborn kids, you don't know their destiny. Do you know their destinies? No. They might turn out to be great people in the future. So Charles. Let's think from the other way around.
I wasn't get 2 wives. Ebuna, that his head is not correct.
You don't know the Jew abortion? No.
No.
That shall not kill is in the Bible. So let's move it down.
Niba inekwu na akwa na edu notu na obia bike. Dekunu mara. Onyebuchi is my son. And Echezona is his friend. Both of them, they came to me and told me about this. Like we will seen it, Echezona is not here. But I am here on his behalf.
Nai, you know I have so much respect for you. But please, don't repeat what you just said. I don't want to see any of you here again.
Please, my son. Listen to us at least.
Don't get me angry. Listen to you how? Were you not the same person that told my mother that your son is not a womanizer? I was calling me where?
Ikem, Biko, Biko, we know you are very upset.
Yes.
But please, try and bear with us, please.
I will bear with nobody.
Please calm down. Blood, it is said, is thicker than water. We wouldn't have been here if Echezona is not sure of what he's saying.
Spare me that bullshit. Where was he when people were making caricature of me? Where was Echezona when people were calling me bastard? All of a sudden, he just remembered that he has a son because I've made it. Onyekuba Amalie.
Ikem, you see, Echezona is not coming to you because of your money. Oh. No, far from it.
Oh.
He has said it. He's very rich, connected as well. You are the one who needs this connection, and he will help as well.
To hell with your connection. In fact, Echezona is lucky that he's not here, because he wouldn't have left here the same way he came. I don't need your help. I don't need his help. He can never be my father. In fact, I don't need a father. All of a sudden, he's my father. You people should not get me angry here. I must know me Weber.
Agnes, nobody is above mistake.
Of course.
The mistake has already been made.
Yes.
Please, I beg of you, help us to talk to him.
Biko, I beg you. Help us talk to your son.
Welcome once again. There's actually a problem here. Your son is not the only person claiming paternity. Yes. Another man came here before you people.
It is not true. It cannot be true.
Yes.
He came here as my grandson. That man must be a criminal.
Oh.
He must be a criminal.
Are we fighting?
Listen, I don't want to see any of you in this compound again. I don't want to see any of you here again to avoid casualty.
This guy, Kai Pokwa, let's go.
Hey.
I called again this morning and he did not pick my call. What offense did I commit? Eh? Tell me. What offense did I commit? Because I told him I'm his father.
This is no longer a phone call matter.
Then, what do you want me to do again? Have you forgotten the embarrassment he gave to us? And you want me to go back there again? Mbano. I can't come out.
That will not stop us from pressing on. Except you are not certain of your claim.
Because I am 100% sure. Ikem is my son and nobody will drag it with me. Or draw possible. Oh boy, if I'm not. Now for you. You no, I'm not sure of what. What are you talking?
So what do you intend to do? I mean, what is your next step?
Dude, I don't know. I don't know. As I'm talking with you now, I'm confused. Let him pick up my call first. Let him pick my call. So no. You see, Drew, I'm confused. I don't know what to do as I'm standing here with you now. I don't know what to do.
There must be a way. Then in this case, we have to go there again. That is the only thing we have to do now. Yes, we need to go there again. We have to go there.
These children have not swept this compound this morning. Hey! Umungongo na ngongo. Umugongo tigwe ebu na butere meba. Ifoma! Ifoma!
Oh, an innocent pregnant woman cannot rest in this house.
Come out here. Where is it? Where is it, Bere?
Do I know?
What do you mean by you do? Do you know?
I said I don't know, Mama. I don't know. Am I a Bere skipper? I don't know.
Ebere! Ebere! Ebere!
Hi. I don't even know that this is why you called me this morning. I'm leaving.
Okay, come back here. Come back here. Abandon the clicker. Come back. Come back. Why did you call me? I called you. Why is it that this compound is not swept till now?
I don't know. Ask Ifoma.
Ifoma kill you there. Ifoma will kill you there. Don't mention my name again, oh.
Are you actually talking to me?
No, I wasn't actually talking to you. I was talking to the tree.
Bia. I didn't call both of you to come out here and pick a fight. I called you here to come out and sweep this compound. You guys get bruised and start to sweep here now. Oh yeah?
Mama, tell Ifoma to sweep. I'm not strong this morning.
How can you be strong? Eh? When you don't sleep at night, every night you will not allow Ibuna to rest. How can you be strong? Nonsense.
So you are jealous because he refused to touch you last night, right?
And who told you I needed it?
You need it. Stop pretending. I don't pretend. I only go for what I want.
Enough of this stupidity. Chekwa, so this is what you do to my son every night. Hey! This is exactly what you do to my son every night, eh? It will not happen. See, this night I will give both of you separate rooms.
Impossible, Mama.
Mama, that one will not happen. No. I am going to stay with my husband and that is it.
No problem. When the time comes, we shall see. But meanwhile, sweep this compound now. Let me not come out and see this place like this again. That's why you know Senania now.
It's your fault. It is your fault. Don't worry. I will deal with it. If I don't beat you up in this house, no, it's not me, Foma.
Why are you angry? Why are you angry? I thought you said you don't need it. I can tell from the looks on your face and the way you squeeze your legs. Kanji will kill you like this. See your eyes. He's showing. You need it bad. You will rust.
Yeah, Ebere. Informer. Are they not hearing me? Don't you have eyes? You want to? Don't you have eyes?
What happened?
Why is this compound still like this? I heard Mama talking about it, and still now, nobody has done anything. All you guys know is to eat my food and but do your duty.
I am not a slave in this house. So you don't expect me to be sweeping the compound?
Jesus Christ.
Yes. Ebuna, just say why you called me here. I want to go back inside.
Madness envelop you. Millipede cover you, idiot. Is this the way you behave in your father's house? Eh? Don't you sweep your father's house? You cannot even keep your environment clean. And you call yourself women. Very soon you guys will be after one. Do you know? Abandoned property and Tokumbo properties. That's what you are, and you cannot do your duties.
Which duty? Now I don't care now, Chanko. See, let me tell you. Don't even try to shout my name next time again. It's your duty to keep your compound clean. The best thing for you is just to go inside, pick a broom, or better still, I'll do it myself. I'll go inside, get a broom for you, so that you keep everywhere clean. Sweep it very, very well. Don't even go there. Don't even try it though. Hey, you know my father now. If you beat me, he will deal with you. Don't even go there. Hey, I am not a slave, and I will not sweep anything. I will not touch any broom because I am pregnant. I don't want to straight myself.
You're daring me. You're daring me, Ifoma. Ifoma, you're daring me.
Beat me now. Yes, beat me. Ebuna, beat me.
This is not funny anymore. This whole thing is beginning to give me a very big concern.
Sister, I am not interested in this topic. I am
No,
not interested.
No, you cannot say that. Ikem has a father, and he has the right to know who the person is.
So Ikem is not important to them. All this the handbaketa. After all they made me pass through. Sister, have you forgotten how I almost took my life in that condition?
I remember how you almost took your life. That was why I was feeling very terrible the day that first man came for the same thing. But we owe him that. You are the only one who can calm Ikem down. Please.
Sister, you're pushing me to do this. You're pushing me.
I know. Please.
Anyway, the truth is, I don't even know the right person. No. I met both of them the same month. So, I don't even know how to settle this case myself.
Are you saying the truth?
Yes.
I like it. To God who made me, I like it. And it is in a good place, with good price.
I like the place so much.
You like it?
Yes.
Yeah, I like it.
In that case, let's see the man immediately so I can make the transfer.
When now? I'm jobless. Guy,
so it is true that you want to buy this piece of land? Huh?
Do you have a problem with that?
Don't try it, because you know this land has an unfinished business with me.
How does that concern me?
It concerns you because a fatherless son like you does anything without asking for.
Enough is enough, Nai. What has my husband done to you? Yes!
If are you not ashamed to call a fatherless son like this your husband?
Are you stupid? Do you know who we are talking to? He came during the Second World War.
Does he have father? If he has father, tell me who the father is. A fatherless son like this.
Run into him. Give him a chance.
Run into him! Run into him!
Concerns you because a fatherless son like you does anything without asking. Are you not ashamed to call a fatherless son like this your husband? Does he have father? If he has father, tell me who the father is. A fatherless son like this.
Nna, you're back already. Are you alright? Your mother was here.
I need to be left alone.
What happened? Do you want me to cook something special?
No, I'm fine. I'm not in the mood of talking. Let me be. Just let me be.
Agnes.
Uncle. No.
What is this evil man doing here?
I have come to see you, people.
Hmm?
Yes, I came to see you.
What do you want this time?
Forgive me for all the things I did to you. I am so sorry. Forgive me. Please.
I don't understand what you're talking about. But for your own good, I suggest you leave now.
Agnes, Biko, you're here. Biko, I have even decided to stop dragging your father's property with you. Biko, forgive me. You came.
Don't call my name. You are evil. But I know how to handle your type. If I go in and come out, if I meet you here, I swear you will wake up in the nearest hospital.
Huh?
Naba.
Please help me, I'm begging for me. Huh?
Where is that idiot? Hey, I will kill somebody today. I will butcher somebody today. Where is she? She's not here. Eh? She's not here. She will come back. Oh, look at her. Look at her.
Obioma, who locked that kitchen?
And what kind of stupid question is that?
It is not a stupid question. In fact, there is no need asking. Mama is not around, neither is our husband. So you locked the kitchen. Can we have the keys? Can we have the keys?
Ebere and Ifoma, I've seen that both of you have gone mad this afternoon.
It is you that has gone mad. Obioma, what are you still doing in this house now? Eh? Go and marry your bastard fiancé and leave me at this house for us, Biko.
Yes, or don't you want to get married? You don't feel like getting married? You want to get old in this house?
Did I hear you well?
I said you should go. Go and marry your bastard fiancé. Are you angry?
She said bastard.
Is he not a bastard? Eh? He is a bastard now.
How dare you? Are you stupid? Have you gone mad?
Slap me. Eh?
Carry her! Remove the head! Hold the legs! Go! Don't pick it!
Hey, you don't know me!
I want to ask you one question, both of you. What have I what have I done to both of you in this house?
And what's that supposed to mean?
I am not done.
And before
you ask me anything, I want to finish what I am saying.
Before you go on, I have a question to ask.
I said, don't ask me anything. Listen to what I have to say. I was the one who brought you into this house. So you listen to me when I am talking, even if I'm talking nonsense. Both of you called the only man who has my back. He came a bastard. How? How? Shut up. Quiet. Let me remind both of you, if you do not know or nobody has told you before, that same person you called a bastard has been the one taking care of both of you and myself in this house.
So, how does that concern me?
Good question. Is it that guy you call a bastard? he has withdrawn his assistance. I'm going to, but let me tell you, I want to sound this so that everybody will hear me. I will be the only one in this house. Both of you should pack your bag and baggages and leave my compound. Now!
Oh, man, it's not possible. Are you not a man? No, Evuna, are you not a man? Why can't you go out there and work and fend for your family? You're just lazy. Yes.
You're talking to me. You're talking to me.
Hey! You want to kill me, eh? You will kill me! You will kill me! You will kill me in this house! I don't
Okay, Kenta. I'm my young man. There one. You see, the problem at stake has been giving me sleepless nights. That is why I fixed this meeting. And I'm happy that both parties were able to come in contact with each other so that we can sort out this issue once and for all.
Thank you very much, Mazen Madoka. And thank you once more for explaining things to our visitors.
Thank you.
You see, one cannot see the mouth of the bird and see eggs from where it fits. I can remember vividly well the day Nkiru came to our house and told my wife and I that Echezona here, my son, was responsible for her pregnancy.
Excuse me, sir. What exactly is happening here? Someone should hit the nail on the head. Give an around that.
Paul, since you want to know, tell him. They are saying that Ikem is Echezona's son.
Exactly. Duru, are you part of this arrangement?
Paul, my friend.
He's on there.
Honestly, I am not. Onyebuchi told me something different the day we met. And I thought he was trying to help us to approach Ikem. That's all I know.
Are you dragging the paternity of my son with me? Are you? Ikem is my blood. Ikem is my son.
You're a liar. My blood runs in Ikem's vein.
Ikem is my flesh. Ikem is my blood. Stay clear. I am warning you. Stay clear.
You are a liar.
Tell him.
I got her pregnant. I got Nkiru pregnant. She came to me and told me, and she has no other man.
And you look it as well. If you're claiming the paternity of Ikem because of his money, let me fix you up. You look for a way to invest the money and become reasonable and useful to yourself.
What more than the entire
Who is your son? Stop claiming what does not belong to you. I'm not about my son.
Calm down. Duru, I am fat. It's okay. Was it an actual age? Look at these people. You have lost out. Ikem is Echezona's son.
Ikem, please listen to me.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. I must confront my mother because she has a lot of explanations to do.
Ikem, but you don't have to go to her husband's house.
Are you serious?
Yes. Think about it.
How do you explain this? That a young man like me has two fathers. How do you explain that?
Ikem, calm down. You don't have to go there. Biko.
Listen, the news everywhere is that I have two fathers. It is shameful. It is annoying. Let me tell you one thing. You see those men coming around claiming to be my father? I don't want to see any of them around here again. They are not my father, they can't be my father, and I don't need a father. Why am I even talking to you?
He came listen to me. Why is Auntie not here? She ought to be here. I think Mama have to call her again. Mama!
Okay. Seriously, I don't like the way you're feeling. I don't like your mood.
This is getting on my nerves. It's painful and embarrassing at the same time. Two men fighting over who is my father. I don't get it. The news is everywhere that people are dragging who my real father is. Listen, my mother has to tell me who my real father is. I need to know my roots. I can't take this anymore. It's painful.
But do you really need those men? Do you need them? I mean, where were they when you needed them the most? Yes, and all of a sudden they want to put confusion in your life.
It's not like I need any of them for financial assistance, no. But I need to know my roots. I need to know who my real father is.
I understand, Ikem. But don't go to your mother's place, as Ozioma said. Okay?
This is funny and painful at the same time. A full-grown man like me can't say this is my father. People are coming from every nook and trying to say you are my father. Yeah. I've heard you, no problem. I need to go now.
It's okay. I heard you've reconciled with your uncle.
Yes, he apologized and promised not to tamper with my property again. I said, okay, we're fine now. He will even join us the day we'll go to pay a bride price.
Okay? Thank God. Thank God everything went like that. But you still have to be careful. You never can trust all these uncles.
The important thing is that the young man has realized his mistakes and he has said to correct it himself. There's nothing wrong with that.
No, we are saying the same thing.
If not that he is sleeping, I would have talked to him myself to stop chasing them away. Eh?
Naegolo, give me one good reason why I shouldn't chase them away. No, tell me, how can one person have two fathers at a time?
No, my son, no. But I was thinking that you should...
Know that. As a matter of fact, I will not listen to anybody until my mother comes. Yes. Tell those men to stay away from me. Tell them to stay away from me. I need to talk to my mother, and that's simple.
You can please calm down. Calm down. Eh? Stop being rude to them. What are you doing? Look at them. Even that man, especially that man that came to my house last time. I mean, he's a gentleman. Please make him a friend.
Uncle Ogolo, this should be the last time you will come here on their behalf to avoid embarrassment. Because I'm now successful. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry is claiming to be my father. Where were they when I was suffering? Can I ever honor? I must not be way. I must not be way.
Agnes, you have to always talk to this young man. He's a small boy.
Stop telling him what
My son is still angry with me. I don't want you to be too bothered. Everything will be fine. I am happy the DNA test has been done.
Sister, what is our next step after this time?
Well, we have to wait for the results to come out.
I am worried. You know Ikemi is the only son we have in this family.
What will happen to our father's property if he goes back to his father?
First and foremost, we will wait for the result to come out. As for our father's property, our father's property is our property. No matter what, no one can take it from us.
Okay, let us wait for the result then.
Okay, ma.
So why there?
Okay. My regards to your husband and your children.
They will hear. I forgot to tell you. He will be traveling in 2 days' time, so he won't be attending Obioma's bride price ceremony.
I hope he will be around for the white wedding. Oh.
Sure, he will.
So brother.
He will.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
In fact, I am very, very happy. Yes. You saw what happened. The surprise bride price payment. You understand? So at the end of the day, Ike is married. Now it's a thing of joy. I am very happy, even though she rejected my own son, Anebuchi. I am happy. Yeah? It's a thing of joy.
Because Ike must have given you a bribe. Or what?
How do you mean?
Yes. A woman rejected your son and got married to another person.
It doesn't
and you are
matter.
very happy. That's why I call you a category. Let me tell you this. Let me tell you this.
You should respect me.
It's my happiest day. Hear me. You can see me moving and I'm happy. I paid that bride price as demanded by custom because as the elder of that family, I had to. But I was astonished. I was even surprised that Obioma accepted to marry that boy that has no son and no father. Eh? Now listen to me. Now that Echosana has been confirmed Ikem's actual father, Echosana will soon come to Ikem and take him home. Then automatically his family name changed to Echosana's family name. Then whatever belongs to my brother, my late brother Andoka, is now for me. Listen to me. Whatever Adibe is talking with them is his own business and this, that's another non-entity. Let me tell you this. I am very happy. You know what? I am dancing in my heart.
Listen, Ugolo, you are still saying that. I thought you have reconciled with them. Why they bringing it back?
That's why I said that is the reason between
Ugolo. Good. Ugolo, Asokola more. I'm not expecting my Kisiga. I'm not expecting my Kisiga.
If I had no, I would have given you more.
Greetings, everybody. It is about my son's paternity, which all of us here are aware of the development. We have gone for DNA tests and the results confirm that Echezona here is the biological father of my son. And since then he has been coming, insisting he come back to him. But my sister and I have decided that Ikem should remain in our father's compound. So we brought the case to you and I to settle it for us. Thank you.
Echezona. Echezona. Did you hear what she just said? What do you have to say concerning this?
Thank you, Nine. I don't have much to say. I am not dragging the paternity of Ikem with any other person, since the DNA test result proved that I'm his biological father. All I want is for him to go home with me. That's all.
You're a useless man. All you want is for me to go home with you. Hankare. Listen, having a child does not make you a father. A father is one who takes responsibility, who pays his woman's bride price before getting her pregnant. You did not pay my mother's bride price. The DNA test says you are my father, but I'm telling you to your face that you are not my father because you did not pay my mother's bride price and you were not there for her.
You came, hold on. Eh? I have a question to ask. Chezona, did you pay Nkiru's bride price?
I did not.
In that case, it is of no use contesting this. Biologically, yes, you are the father. But traditionally speaking, you are not the father. Have I made myself clear? In that case, according to the custom and tradition, it is general in the entire Igbo land. As far as you did not pay the bride price while the child is still in the womb, this child belongs to Nduka's family and is our son. Have I made myself clear?
Thank you very much, Nai. Truth is always bitter. Thank you very, very much. This will sound as a warning to reckless men like you. Getting a woman pregnant doesn't mean the child is yours. You must take charge if you want to be called a father. Nonsense.
You heard him. It is too late to cry when the head is off. Nkiru is now a married woman to another man. And I ask you a question originally. Did you pay her bride price? According to our custom and tradition, which I am representing, Ikem belongs to Nduka's family. And he is our son. I'm sorry, I can't help the situation.
Let's go. Let's go.
Leave me alone.
He became my son.
I am not your son. I am not your son. Stop calling me that. So you're the one that did that to my mother? Huh?
Ikem, I am sorry. Please. I am sorry.
You're sorry. Before getting a woman pregnant, there are a few things you should have thought of. One, am I ready for this? Can I take responsibility? Can I take care of her? You got her pregnant and abandoned her. You should be ashamed of yourself. Now you are here to claim something you rejected many years ago. You are not my father.
Ikem, I'm sorry about what happened. That was in the past. Find a place in your heart to forgive me.
I will not forgive you. Do you know the damage you've caused? And you think you can walk up and say you're sorry and everything will normalize? Do you know what it means for a young man to grow up without knowing his father? Listen, avoid me. You are not my father and you can never be my father.
Ikem. Ikem. Ikem.
If you get me angry, I will set you ablaze. If you get me angry, I will set you ablaze. Shameless and useless at the same time. Who to give Buguz of Tolo Ibo? Nonsense.
Them say I be bastard, them say I no get the papa. Them say I'm useless because say me I no get the money. Every day I dey suffer, they think of what I will do. Right now I don't make money, everybody won't be my papa. They said they be my papa. Everybody won't be my papa. Everybody said them be my papa. Everybody won't be my papa. All the time when I get they suffer, nobody claims to be my papa. Right now I don't make money. Everybody won't be my papa.